Alright, so with the clock, after you've finished cabinet scraping and sanding the top, we're ready to drill a hole for the clock mechanism. This is the clock mechanism, so we need a hole drilled and that will pass through the back. We also need on the back, we need to cut a rebate out for the mechanism to sit in, and that cut goes about 3 millimeters deep. Start on the front. Basically we need to find the center, so the easiest way to do that is mark corner to corner. Use your pencil, put a mark. Do this lightly because your pencil mark will have to be removed later. So I can see where my center is, flip it over, I need to mark where my rebate's going to go. For me, I'm marking 60 from each edge, and what that will do, that will give me a square of 60 by 60 in the middle. You might have to recalculate yours.
To suit your particular size of the clock. That first one should be about the size. And we'll square our lines until we've got a square marked out.
Hopefully you can see that. My square's marked out. We'll go over to the drill press to drill our hole. We need our left hand to hold this down flat. Our right hand to drive this into our timber. I'm just checking there to make sure I've actually got center, which I have. And then all the way through. Stop. Make sure you wait for the drill to stop before you brush away any shavings. Okay, we're ready to chisel out. I've grabbed the 25mm chisel. Make sure it's sharp. The sharper the chisel, the easier this will be and the better your job will be. I've also grabbed a mallet, and what I will do, I hold the flat edge of the chisel on the line. My bevel of the chisel is pointing always towards the middle. And give it a tap. We don't need to hit this too hard. We'll move across, put the chisel in the cut that I've just put there, and tap again. I'm going to work across each of these lines, like so. Now we're ready to start chiseling out. So my grain's running this way, and we follow the grain, even though it's a veneer, like we do on a solid piece of timber. I'm going to lay the chisel over, so now my bevel edge is pointing down. Again, it's kind of still pointing towards the middle. Change my stance, and I am going to, on a slight angle, cut that just gently back towards that cut that I just made. Hopefully you can see that. That piece will come out. If it doesn't quite come out, sometimes you need to hit down again. And we'll move the chisel back, away from the cut a little further, go towards the line.
Now I've gone through the veneer, the face veneer, and now I'm starting to cut into the plywood lines. So 3 millimeters deep is going to be pretty much the first layer of ply, and that's it. So we're just trying to get this one down to the correct depth to cover.
Alright, once you get the majority of the waste removed, we can start to prepare this, and we actually just push this by hand. So I'm using the chisel in the same way. what I'm trying to do is just remove all the high spots. It's okay to run across the grain as well. Chisel will cut. Alright, that's pretty good. You can test for fit with this old one. That should fit nicely in there. We should have about 5mm of thread protruding through the front. That will allow us to get a washer on there and a nut. That's it.